Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you two quick tips that are going to make your Davinci Resolve experience while editing much smoother and much faster. So first, open your Davinci Resolve. The first thing we are going to do is going to playback and go to timeline proxy resolution and select it half or quarter. This will make the preview that you can see here. This is the preview. The quality of this preview will be decreased, but it will not affect the output. But just by enabling this to quarter, it will make the preview with less quality, but that will make your workflow much smoother. So you can change this to half or quarter. When you are going to color grade or something, just get it back to full and you will be fine. Also, one more thing is, as you can see right now, you can see each frame in the timeline right now. So when you are working on a project and you have multiple clips like this, every time you make a cut like this, it will have to reload the thumbnail again. So what you can do is go to this timeline options and change it from this to this. This will make it appear without any thumbnails, but that will make it much smoother while working. So it doesn't need to reload the thumbnails again every time you make a cut. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.